Hello, my name is Kurt Smith and today is February 25th, 2022, and the mode of transportation that I'll be discussing in this video is the freight carrier mode, and the career I'll be discussing within this mode of transportation is a logistics analyst. A logistics analyst is responsible for everything in a product's life cycle, including delivery operations involved in the production cycle and the shipments of the product. As according to Goodwin.edu, logistics analysts are responsible for the entire production life of a product. This includes everything from the purchasing of materials to the distribution of goods. Logistics analysts streamline operations and evaluate a company's assets in order to achieve its overall missions and goals. As shown in this quote, logistics analysts are very important personnel for a company to have, and they're very important for the production life cycle of a product. The median salary range of a logistics analyst is around $58,900. As according to Comparably.com, the middle 57% of logistics analysts makes up between $58,900 and $172,202. The reason I am interested in this mode of transportation is because of the importance motor carriers have in the supply chain. Motor carriers are arguably the most important mode of transportation, which such an expansive network of delivering across the country. Without them, the supply chain would take a huge hit, and many, if not all, companies would perish because they wouldn't be able to get products shipped out and supplies shipped in for their production of goods. The reason I found this career interesting is because of the skill set that someone would have to have in this occupation. Just from the job descriptions of the logistics analysts that I read, I got that someone in this career needs to be able to think critically and be able to solve problems in a creative and critical manner, and timely and swiftly as well. They need to be able to balance multiple tasks at once and communicate effectively what's happening with the product and the operations that are involved within the production cycle, as well as the shipments and deliveries that are coming in, and any delays that can be hit at the same time. I mean, the skill set is something that I feel like I have, and if not, is something that I'd be able to gain with years of experience and just working on the job and everything like that. Two companies who hire for logistics analysts include Legacy Supply Chain and Ultimate Staffing Services. From what I have read about pertaining to the career of a logistics analyst, I would say that this is an important job for a company to have filled. This job requires the analyst to have the knowledge and understanding of the business and industry they are working in. I mean, this career title is one that should know everything that is happening with the products that are being received, the individual operational steps that are involved in the production style of the product, and the shipments that are leaving with the finished products and everything. I mean, this individual that works in logistics analyst should be able to analyze each individual step of the operational cycle, and should be able to pinpoint which steps have value-added information involved with them and which steps can be eliminated and mitigated down. I mean, this is in order to help the company save money and time, and just overall save the customer's time as well. The reason the logistics analyst pertains to my transportation educational experience is because it requires an educational understanding of the different modes of transportation and the rules and regulations that influence each mode of transportation. In the transportation class that I am taking, each mode was described in further detail than what I had already known. The knowledge gained from those more in-depth descriptions of the modes of transportation are able to help me in the career such as this, because the logistics analyst helps direct those modes of transportation. They help direct which freight carriers are going to be coming into the business on this day and which ones are going to be leaving on this day. It helps keep the supply chain moving forward in an effective and efficient manner. Thank you for listening to my video.